Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
While the battery is storing energy for the ignition and engine, the alternator is recharging it. It also produces energy for the vehicle's electrical system as long as the engine is running. While the alternator should last over 100,000 miles, it is also prone to failure and can make driving much more difficult, if not impossible, if it stops working. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors the alternator and runs diagnostics to make sure it's working properly. When the PCM detects a bad signal from the alternator's generator field coil control circuit, it records a P0622 code. What does the P0622 code mean? Diagnostic Trouble Code, DDC, P0622 indicates Field Terminal Generator Circuit F. Most alternators have a field coil around the generator armature. This coil plays a major role in generator operation and battery charging. As a result, the PCM constantly checks the generator's field control circuit whenever the engine is running. While the alternator should last over 100,000 miles, it is also prone to failure and can make driving much more difficult, if not impossible, if it stops working. Every time you switch on your vehicle's ignition, the PCM lights up and diagnoses itself several times. Its control network, CAN, also checks the signals from the individual PCM modules. If the modules don't interface properly, they may not share important information from the parts they control. Once the PCM detects a continuity or voltage problem in the generator's field control circuit, it records a P0622 code. If the problem recurs or is very serious, the malfunction indicator may light up. Note, the definition of code P0622 may differ depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Check the correct repair manual or repair database for the exact code definition. How to diagnose P0622. A P0622 DDC is a generic trouble code that can be registered in vehicles from different car manufacturers. These vehicles may share apparently identical triggers and symptoms. However, the exact process of diagnosing and repairing your vehicle may vary between makes and models. If you don't think you can perform diagnostic tests on your vehicle, it's a good idea to entrust your journey to a professional mechanic. Alternatively, you can go ahead and diagnose the problem yourself. How to repair code P0622. Attempting to correct a P0622 code can become a frustrating task if you don't have the right tools and know-how to test the PCM. In most cases, it's best to leave the job to the professionals. For DIY enthusiasts with advanced technical knowledge and practical experience who prefer to test and replace their vehicle's faulty alternator themselves, it will be helpful to rely on the appropriate repair manual or an online repair database. In conclusion, understanding fault code P0622 is essential for diagnosing issues related to the generator field or terminal circuit F. By recognizing the symptoms and potential causes, you can take the necessary steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Whether it's checking the wiring, inspecting the generator, or addressing any underlying electrical issues, timely intervention can help restore your vehicle's charging system to optimal performance. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps you keep your vehicle running smoothly.